Welcome to our in-depth tutorial on mastering advanced HTML5 forms for smarter input validation without external libraries. Today, you'll discover how HTML5 forms have transformed the way we handle user input on the web. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to build robust, secure, and user-friendly web forms using the native capabilities of HTML5 without relying on any external libraries. This is crucial in creating efficient applications while minimizing dependencies. Stick around to learn how you can enhance your form's functionality and security, making your web development process smoother and more effective. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more high-quality tutorials and to stay updated with the latest content. HTML5 forms have introduced significant improvements to web development, particularly in input validation. By leveraging built-in form elements and attributes, you can ensure data integrity and provide a seamless user experience. Let's explore some core concepts. HTML5 enhances form elements like and with attributes such as required, pattern, and max length. These attributes enable you to enforce rules directly in the HTML, reducing the need for JavaScript. For example, the type attribute allows for specialized input fields like email, URL, and date, each providing specific validation and input interfaces. Moreover, the Constraint Validation API offers methods like check validity and report validity, giving you programmatic control over form validation. This comprehensive capability allows you to build forms that not only gather user data effectively, but also validate it at the source, ensuring cleaner, more reliable input. Let's explore a practical code example to understand how these concepts come together. We'll focus on an HTML5 registration form that utilizes advanced validation techniques. This form includes various input types, each with specific validation attributes. For instance, the name input requires a minimum of 3 characters, only accepts letters and spaces, and uses a regular expression pattern for validation. Here's a snippet from our index.html file. In this walkthrough, we'll see how the form behaves when interacting with it. When you load the form, you'll notice each field has specific validation rules. For instance, the name field requires letters only, and the email field expects a valid email format. As you fill out the form, invalid inputs will trigger browser-native validation messages, guiding you to correct any mistakes. Upon successful completion, submitting the form will display a success alert, indicating that all inputs have met their respective validation criteria. This demonstration highlights the power of HTML5 forms in managing input validation natively, without external scripts. In conclusion, mastering HTML5 forms for input validation offers numerous benefits, including increased security, improved user experience, and reduced reliance on external libraries. This knowledge not only enhances your web development skills, but also streamlines your coding workflow, allowing you to build more efficient applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you gain access to a wealth of resources and tutorials that accelerate your learning curve with practical examples you can immediately apply. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.